In this video, I'm going to show you easily report stories on Facebook. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, and guys. The first off, you need to open up Facebook app. After that, just open up a story you would like to share. And then somewhere here at the bottom you will find the share button. So now we need to tap at that bottom. And here we need to choose that we would like to use to share this story. We can share it to feed to Messenger, to any other platforms, even if we can link to share it manually with someone, however. If we drag it to the left a bit, we'll find here your story. Now I'm gonna tap right here, and then, as you can see, we are taken to the kind of a story editor, where we can edit that story. We can use any of these tools, such as stickers, text, music, and all others. And know once it is done, and you are ready, just hit right here at this button. Basically, guys, that save this video is helpful to hit the like button.